Oh, oh, it's rolling. Oh, shit. All right. Hello. We are going to be learning how to use a watch and such and such. Now, this is a watch. A lot of old people use it, not a lot of young people because they have phones which make these obsolete. Except for when your phone dies and these are all you got. What? What's this tape thing? Oh, it's just a cover or wrapper or something. Oh, okay. Caught me off guard here. Alright. A lot of the times these are simulated leather, which is usually better than actual leather, believe it or not. Actual leather has the fancy name to it. It's not simulated as if that's a really bad thing or synthetic. And it has a lot of value to it because even though it's an inferior product, it's seen as pure. But the point of the video is not about leather, it's about this watch and how to use it, how to put it on, and yada yadas. Alright. Context, it's almost 2 o'clock right now. The watch says it is 11:15. Oh, 11:15. And if you're not familiar with clocks, a couple things to know about them is this little moving arm, that's the amount of seconds that you're in. And everything's a divisible of 12. So you got 6, I guess, not really. I keep getting this out of focus. So this goes around the thing every 60 seconds, which is a minute. This bigger arm that only moves every minute, that's how many minutes you're in. And this requires a little bit of math, alright? So if you're 12, you're 0 minutes in the hour. 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15. So every number, an easy way to determine how many minutes you're in, take this number, multiply it by 5. Say if this arm is at 6, that'd be 30 minutes in. And that's how that works. This little arm, that's how many hours you're into the day, or into the clock. It says here that we're 11 hours in. So, it's pretty much, doesn't say AM or PM because it's not that advanced. But it shows it's 11:16 on the clock, which is clearly wrong, and we'll be learning how to adjust it. Now, a lot of clocks are similar, or watches are similar. Lots are different too. This one's a quartz and electric one, which is actually better than mechanical ones, but mechanical ones it's the same deal as the leather. It's seen as more pure, and despite being inferior, it's actually seen as better value. Again, not the point of the... Well, actually, it's part of the point of the video. Not too much. What's this button do? That button does something. But to adjust it... No, it's 2 o'clock or 2:01. So you want to do to adjust it is you take this... See this little knob here? Just want to pull it out. I let my fingernails grow out a little bit too long. And this is the price I pay. Alright, we're gonna... There we go. It's pulled out now. Where is it? Now you want to go forwards in time, you want to go counterclockwise. If you want to go back in time, you go clockwise relative to this 90-degree angle, or this angle. So, back in time, ahead of time. And no, you do not get time traveling capabilities with this. I don't think it needs to be said, but it probably should. So now to adjust this for, what time would it be? 2:01. You want to go counterclockwise. So now it's at 12 flat. And you want to keep going. until you get to, so now we get 20, about 2:01 right there. And to set your time, you just push this down. There you go. And now you got your time set. Well, you still have time, so I'll show you how to put this on. Alright. First, you want to do is have a wrist. If you're an amputee, then you either put it into your other arm, or you just have it off to the side. Sorry, so now you got it like this. So now what you gotta do is relax this muscle, pull this back, this leather bit, and you want to push down on this little metal piece, just like that, until it goes through the hole. I had to cut my own hole because the size of my wrist, I thought it was small. It must be a small watch for a small person. So I have a relatively small wrist and hand, but it wound up being big for this watch. I don't know, but maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't think so, because I'm the expert here. So, and you know, you got, oh, now you got it on your hand. And to determine the time, well, you look at the clock. You look at the little arm. It shows 2. Big arm shows 2 minutes in. So that means it is 2:02. Let's see if it... Oh, I said it wrong. It's actually 2:04, but... Oh well. The point is made that that's how you set it up. And yeah. I'm not sure what else to say about the watch. It's a watch. I've shown its capabilities. It's... if you want to buy this watch because you like it, I mean... I think you could probably find better ones at Walmart, like nice gold and fake gold ones, but another material that's not really good for watches, gold. Gold is very conductive. Yeah, it's very ductile, whereas whatever this is, probably plastic or something is plastic or some kind of textile. Much harder material, not as heat conductive. Yeah, I mean, this one comes from Walmart. That's $20. You could probably find one at your Walmart for about the same price or less. Safeway, probably not Safeway, but Save on Foods. Yeah, you get the point. You know, McDonald's. And yeah, this is the video. Alright, well, bye.